Conversion of energy. Energy, ability of a body to do work. Ability of a body to do yes. Suppose a boy running on the ground. Running on the ground. It means boy is having which kind of energy? Chemical energy. Boy is having chemical energy, means food, and he is running. So while running, which kind of energy? Mechanical, especially kinetic energy. Yes. See, suppose a stone coming down from a height h on earth's surface, means a stone when it is kept over here at a height from earth's surface, then it is having potential energy. It is having which kind of energy? Potential energy. And when it is coming down, so its potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. See, arrow with a stretched bow. At this moment, this arrow is having potential energy, and when it will be left, it will start moving. So then it will be having kinetic energy. This process is called conversion of energy. This process is called what? Conversion of energy. What is conversion of energy? The process of conversion of one form of energy into another is called conversion of energy. Here, boy, he converts chemical energy in the form of food into mechanical energy, that is kinetic energy. And if a stone comes down on earth, it is dropped from a height of earth's surface, so then its potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. I stretched bow, then arrow. At this moment, it is having elastic potentiality, and when it will be left, then it will have kinetic energy. Some more examples I am giving. Some more examples. See, more examples. Like glowing electric bulb. Glowing electric bulb. Glowing electric bulb. So what is the source of energy to the electric bulb? Means electrical energy. Electrical energy into light. Electrical energy into light energy. Fan. It means electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. Your speaker. Speaker. It means electrical energy into sound energy. Microphone. It means microphone. It converts sound into electrical energy. So these are some examples of conversion of energy. And while conversion of energy, a principle is to be followed, and that principle, law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. In fact, according to this principle, energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed. it only can be changed from its one form to another, and while changing from its one form to another, total energy remains conserved. Total energy of body remains conserved. It means, what is law of conservation of energy? Energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed. It only can be changed from its one form to another. And while changing from one form of energy to another, total energy, that form is the initial form, is equal to the total energy, the converted form. Suppose I am giving example, but here condition is, if no energy is wasted due to friction. If no energy is wasted due to that, later we will study. Suppose this is an example of simple pendulum. This is an, here this bob is at a height of h from Earth's surface. So here potential energy is how much? mgh. As it will come down, so its potential will be changed into kinetic. And here at mean position, kinetic energy will be maximum, and that will be equal to mgh, equals potential energy. And at this moment, potential energy will be 0. And once again here, when it will move here, then kinetic energy into potential. And once again, at this point, the bob is at a height of h from Earth's surface. Here once again potential energy is maximum and kinetic energy is 0, because here body stops. जब ये बॉब रुकता है तभी तो वापस जाने की कोशिश, वापस जाता है ना. Here at maximum position the bob stops. And second condition, that example, if you drop a ball from a height, suppose it is h, then kinetic energy 0, potential energy mgh. I told you the body is dropped, then initial velocity is 0. So what is total energy? Ke plus pe means mgh. It means if the body is coming down in the absence of any friction or anything else, friction, viscous force, अगर no friction, no viscous force, no friction, no viscous force, so then total energy of body, whether this point, this point, this point, this point, either this point when it is going to touch earth, total energy of body is mgh. Total energy of body is mgh. One more example I am giving you, that roller coaster. Roller coaster. See, suppose a toy car, when it is over here, then it is having what? Suppose it is at height h, then it is having potential energy here, potential energy mgh. As it comes down, so here it is having kinetic energy, that is maximum, and it is equal to how much? Means no energy is wasted, and potential energy 0. And when it moves up, then what happens? Kinetic energy is converted into potential energy, and here the car will come. If the car will come, then once again potential energy is mgh and kinetic energy is 0. So this keeps on going in the example of this one, roller coaster.